Today I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing of OMMO countertop, air fryer, oven, and best of all, the food dehydrator. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you OMMO air fryer. I have received the shipment and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. A quick overview. I'm going to open it. This is our OMMO countertop air fryer oven. Also good thing, this one is food dehydrator. This is 17 plus quad capacity and this is the largest one we have. I'll open it. This one has a recipe cookbook. Nice, beautiful recipes. Please check it out. Please read through. It's always a good idea whenever you have a new product, go through the user manual. The best thing I like about this air fryer, they provided all the accessories. Normally when you buy air fryer, you have to buy accessories separately. Like they give 2, 4, 6, 8 metal squares. 2 of these parts. This is all right here. They have extra parts. And now I'm going to pull out the air fryer. Wow, this is the really nice one. It's a long electrical cord. This is the back side of OMMO oven, and let me pull it. Wow, I like it. I can't pull this one out. I know why I can't pull it out. Wow, this is the good thing they did. If you take a look on these, all the 4 taps, in normal air fryer or any appliances what we have, we place it on our countertop, they slip. This one, they provided the suction cup. So when you're going to place it on your countertop, they're going to stick and they are not going to move. Look at this. This is beautiful. I like the outlook. So now if I try to lift it, it's not going to move. So that is the good thing I like about those air suction cups. So if we remove this, the plastic, the door has the tapes on it. This is the basket. We can do a lot of things with this one. I really like it. I'm going to enjoy the cooking in this one. The cooking videos, I have my other channel, Easy Steps Cooking. Please check it out. All the cooking videos in it. And this one has the tray. One, two, three, 4 slots, so you can place it when you're cooking. If you have more, this is very roomy, and this one has, there are a couple more trays. Oh, okay, here we go. This is one. And these are 2. So we have 2 trays and 1 solid tray. Very nice. I will close it. See, it's a nice handle. Close it nicely. And beautiful glass. See-through cooking. Normally when we are cooking in air fryer, there's nothing you can see. But in this air fryer, you can see it, how it's getting cooked. I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to just to see quickly. So I'm going to turn it on and I will show you quickly Oh, it's beautiful. Nice. The light. We can turn the light on and we can see inside when you're cooking. So that is a good thing. I really like this one. That feature is nice. I like this OMMO air fryer. And it will slide through. One tip I wanted to share with you, when you're going to put this rack inside, this is the most important thing you need to watch out. This side will go on the left side, and it goes on the right side, which is the hanger. When you're going to put it in, this will go first into the socket, then you drop the hanger. Then it will sit there and it will rotate. This is most important during the lifting. You lift from this side, then you go like this, then you take it out. Lift, then pull. When you're going to insert it, push, then drop. One more time. Go in this way, push it, then drop it. That is the right way of doing it. You can put it reverse also, which is like this. Then you drop it, but this is not a correct way. During the cooking, this will drop. So make sure side goes on the left and this side goes in the hanger. This tip is very important, so I wanted to share with you. Within 20 minutes, our creamy salmon tandoori style tikka will be done. When we're going to pull the basket out, this tool is provided. And how to use it? You put this one on left hand and one on right hand. Just like this, and lift, and then you pull it out. So this is how the tool works. So I hope you like this quick unboxing review of OMMO Countertop Air Fryer Oven. For the delicious cooking, how to cook in this OMMO Air Fryer, I'm going to post videos on my other channel, which is Easy Steps Cooking. I love it. This is the most satisfying thing when you're cooking, that you can see through what's cooking inside and how it's cooking. So like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.